In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the character palette in text. So I have a type tool here. If I click right next to it, this folder, it'll bring up both the character palette and the paragraph palette. Right now I want to focus on the character palette, so we're going to tear that off. The character palette kind of condenses a lot of things up here for us, but it also gives us more options. So for example, my text tool selected and I'm on the type layer, I can change the size, but if I have words underneath it, I can change the space in between the words, which is referred to as the leading. So let's go ahead and type my last name. The space in between the words is the leading, and that's what we have here. So I'll select this, and we'll change it to the same point size. But if I want them tighter, I highlight the words, and I'm going to use my down arrow key, make it a little less, so that the words are a little tighter. I can also adjust the horizontal stretch and the vertical stretch. I can also adjust the color of it if I want. I can also give the text certain faux features, meaning fake. So for example, it's set to a faux bold, but this font doesn't have a bold feature. That's what it normally looks like. It also doesn't have an italic feature, so if I click italic, it gives me a fake italic. You can change the font by clicking on the font, and similarly to before, it will show you the different ways that I can change the font. If you don't see the character palette open, again, you go to the top and click this little folder and it will show up. The paragraph feature, or the paragraph palette, adjusts the alignment of the text. Right now it's centered, but if I click flush left, it will then move and align the text to the left side. I'll click my move tool so I can move it back, and it's aligned on the left. This aligns it to the right, and of course this aligns it to the center. This is how we use the character palette and the paragraph palette in its basic forms in Photoshop.